everybody, it's Wendy, and today I have the February edition of the Bargain Bead Box. So I'm really excited for this. We're going to open it up and see what we've got. But first of all, our encouraging word for today is 1 Corinthians 13, 4 through 7. It says, "My love for you will persevere through every situation." I love that one. That is comforting. So, Bargain Bead Box. So, we've got the Violet Glade collection this month, and it has 18 items. It says it's an approximate value of $86. So, Bargain Bead Box is $19.49, shipped straight to your door. It's a great deal. I have a coupon for $2 off either your first month's box or your first order in their sister store. When you subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, you get a 30% off coupon to use in their sister store, and you can use that over and over all month long as many times as you want. So it's really a great deal all the way around. So I'm going to open this up, lay these out in order, and I will be right back and we'll check it out. All right, so here we go. So number one is a 7.5-inch strand of 3mm finely faceted rainbow fluorite round beads. These are really pretty. They are beautiful shades of purple and green, really light peridot colored green, and they are sparkly and very finely faceted and just really, really pretty beads. So I like those a whole lot. Number two is a 7-inch strand of 10mm amethyst round beads, and these are nice. I would have been surprised if they hadn't done amethyst since it's February's birthstone. This is my birthstone. My birthday's this month. So really pretty, beautiful amethyst, 10mm. I like the bigger gemstone beads because you can see the detail in them. Just beautiful. Then we have a 12-inch strand of 2.5 by 1.5mm crystal rondelle beads in rainbow iris. These are really pretty, very sparkly, absolutely gorgeous. They're kind of like, this is kind of like a peacock colors box. I know that it's showing it's got dragonflies in it, but it reminds me of peacock colors. But oh, beautiful, absolutely, these are gorgeous. Okay, and then we have a 24-piece strand of 8.5 by 4mm crystal drop beads, jet rainbow iris. And again, absolutely beautiful, sparkly, just gorgeous beads. I wouldn't have called these drops. I would have called these are kind of, well, I guess they kind of are the drop shape. I don't know. They are very pretty. They reminded me of elongated bicones, but they aren't. They're more of the drop shape. They're beautiful. Love them. Wow. Then we have a 15-inch strand of 6 by 4mm crystal rondelle beads in a violet mix. Very pretty. A lot of sparkle in this month's box. I'm liking that. Y'all know I love sparkle. These are beautiful. Really pretty to do maybe like an ombre necklace or something. Then we have 2 pieces of 13.5 by 20mm stainless steel laser cut dragonfly charms. These are cute. They are double-sided. Really nice. I like those. Okay, then we have a 23 by 31mm stainless steel and rhinestone dragonfly pendant. So is that rhinestones on there? Maybe they're talking about this. It must be that little rhinestone. This is really pretty. I like the way this hangs. It's sideways, you know, like this. Really cool. Beautiful little pendant. Huh. That's pretty. Then we have, what do we have here? What is this? This is a stainless, let's see, 16 by 22mm platinum plated brass dragonfly toggle clasp. Oh, that's cute. Little dragonfly toggle. That is really cute. Okay. We have some eye pins here. Don't get too excited over these. I'm sorry. I know people will jump all over me for that, but I wish they wouldn't put things like this in the box. I mean, eye pins. I don't know. So we got some eye pins. Sorry, can't get real happy over those. They are stainless steel, which is nice. 48 pieces. That's weird. Why would you not do 50? I don't know. That's weird. But anyway, stainless steel eye pins. Yippee. Okay, then we have 16 by 22 millimeter platinum plated brass dragonfly. No, I'm in the wrong place. We are at 6 pieces of 17 by 17.5 millimeter round with dragonfly charms. Okay, that was a mouthful. Some of these things are a mouthful. These are cute. It's just a little, it could be a charm, it could be a connector, it could be a little pendant, it could be earring findings. Lots of things it could be. It's kind of cool. It's got this little loop that comes up right there on the top. You can see that. See that little loop there? So there's lots of places you could connect something to it. Really nice. Then we have a 14-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rice beads in teal AB. These are pretty. They do go, I mean, there's a lot of green sparkling in this box. So, you know, those will fit in really nicely, actually, with this. I like all this sparkle. This is really pretty. These are little rice beads. Beautiful. A lot of sparkle. Okay. Then we have 2 pieces of 21 by 13.5 millimeter faceted amethyst and brass teardrop pendants. These are really pretty. Really nice. I like these a lot. This box is really pretty. I'm not a huge fan of amethyst, even though it is my birthstone. I don't know, but I really like this box. This is pretty amethyst. Sometimes it can be real pretty and it cannot be real pretty. So they've done a good job with this one. These are gorgeous. All right, then we have let's see. No, we don't. Yeah, we do. A 13-inch strand. No, number 13 is a 10-piece. Oh, Lord, I'm confused. What in the world have I done? Okay, I skipped one. That's what I've done. So those were the amethyst and brass teardrop pendants. Now we've got dragonfly spacer beads. Good Lord, Wendy, get with it. I'm tired today, y'all. So these are dragonfly spacer beads. They are 10 pieces of 10 by 15 millimeter. They are really pretty. They're cute. So little tiny dragonfly spacers. Those are really cute. Wing beads would have been really cool in this box too. You know, just the regular wing beads. But these are cool. But that would have been really cool too. Oh, this is why I was confused. This looks almost like those drops. Okay, this is beautiful. This is a 41 by 21 millimeter amethyst and brass teardrop with swirl pendant. I like this a lot. I like this little swirl. It's not too much. It's just enough to be really pretty. Wow, that's nice. It's got the bail on it and everything, and look at the amethyst. It's almost like a crackled. It's really pretty in there. Wow. Okay. Then we have a 13-inch strand of 8 millimeter frosted crackle agate round beads, dyed and heated. These are beautiful. It's kind of nice that they added a frosted element in because we have a lot of shiny and sparkly. So the matte will be really cool, you know, to kind of mix that up a little. These are really pretty. Really pretty. Then we have a 10-gram bag of 6.5 millimeter 5-petal bead caps. Those are nice. They're very versatile. I sell these on my website in a bunch of different colors, and they fit a lot of different beads. I use these a lot. They're very nice little bead caps to have. So those are nice. Then we have a 14-inch strand of 8 millimeter faceted round Malaysia jade beads. This is dyed quartz. Malaysia jade is dyed quartz. These are pretty. They're faceted, very sparkly, nice. And you get a big strand on. They've put some full-size strands back in here this month, which is nice because they were there for a long time, or for a few months, I think, having some really short strands. So this is nice. We've got some big, long, full-size strands back. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful mix. And then last but not least, we have 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter stainless steel curb chain. So this is always nice to get. These are good size links. You can put a jump ring through them easily or clasp a lobster, but they're not huge. So these are really nice. This is a good size chain. So wow, I gotta say, I like this month's box a lot. It's very pretty. The dragonfly theme is really cute. They could have gone dragonfly or peacock with these colors. I think the dragonflies are cute, and dragonflies are pretty popular. So this is a nice box, guys. I think that this is going to be fun to work with. There's a lot of beads this month, several metals. So wow, what a great deal. So check them out, Bargain Bead Box. They are just, you know, they've come back up this month, I think, to their former standards almost of what they were doing before COVID hit. So this is pretty nice. This is a beautiful box. Love it. I think my favorite things are, I like these electroplated. Those are really cool, and these fluorite beads are really pretty too. Just beautiful, but the whole box is really pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you being here, watching my videos on my channel. I really, really do. And yeah, so if you are interested in this box, check out the link in the description box below, and you can use that $2 coupon. It'll get you $2 off your first month's box, or $2 off your purchase in their store. I do have I did a small order in their store here this past week, so it'll be coming, but I do have other unboxings of the stuff in the store and just their monthly subscription box too for several years now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.